Hey folks, it's Steve with Prima Coffee here. Today we're taking a look at the mini hopper for EK43 grinders from Mahlkonig. This hopper is a great addition to your EK43 if you would like to single dose, speed up your workflow, or just get a smaller stature on your EK43 or EK43S. So the mini hopper is pretty unique as far as Mahlkonig hoppers goes because it has a spring-loaded gate. So it's very nice and easy to just be able to push this really quickly, drop your dose into the grinder, and then it automatically closes itself. This is a 250 gram roughly volume hopper, all black ABS plastic, really nicely built, and it will fit any EK43 or EK43S. With the catch that older models have a slightly different fitment on the attachment point, so it might be a little bit loose and you might need to add a shim. I'll get to that in just a little bit. Inside the hopper, you can see here is just, again, a black plastic, and you can see that that gate is closed for me. Again, this is a spring-loaded gate, so I can push it open and the gate will the hole will open up. You can also see that the hole is slightly offset. That's just to help the beans feed through. We do have a pin lock that will lock the gate open. So if I push this in and push that pin, now my gate stays open. And in order to release it, I push the gate in slightly, pull the pin out, and now my gate is free to close. Installation is quite easy. It uses the existing hardware on your EK43 or EK43S, and all you need is a single slotted screwdriver. So to start, I'm just going to take this screw out. And this is just the attachment screw for the actual sort of bayonet ring on the grinder itself. I don't have a hopper installed on my EK43 here. That's the first step that you'll need to do, is close and remove your existing hopper. With the removal of one screw, I can take that bayonet ring off and set it aside. I don't need it anymore. My mini hopper has 4 attachment points, basically front, back, left, and right. So I can rotate this 90 degrees however I wish to use it. If I want my gate to be on, my user's right side, I can do that. If I would prefer it to be on the back, I can do that. Just for the sake of this, I'm going to have it face the right from the front of the grinder. All you have to do is make sure that that installation hole is lined up with the screw hole. You want to also make sure that the hopper is fully seated down, and of course the hole is centered on the screw hole. Once that is all set, you can insert your screw again and tighten it down, and then you're ready to use it. That is all the installation needs. So again, just a few minutes with a slotted screwdriver and you are all set. So I mentioned that this is a 250 gram capacity hopper. Its best use case is probably for single dose grinding. Let's say you pre-weigh your doses for single cup brewing or for small batch brewing. That's probably what it's best for. At 250 grams, it's a little bit small for most retail grinding. You might have 250 gram bags. You might be able to fit, almost 12 ounces into the hopper, or let it kind of mound up in the center and still be able to grind a retail bag. But for workflow purposes, that spring-loaded gate, the smaller capacity and the shorter stature really makes it a lot more of an appealing addition to a cafe that wants to do single dose grinding for either espresso or small batch brewing. So the workflow is really nice and fast. Again, it's a quick open and quick close on its own. To demonstrate that, I'm just going to grind 20 grams of coffee real quick. I will start up my grinder, drop in my dose to the top, grab my dose cup below, and then all I have to do is push that gate and it will release on its own. And just like that, I've ground enough for a small pour-over brew. That was just 20 grams of coffee, nice and quick. So again, the mini hopper is a nice addition. It does more or less replace your existing hopper, so it's not as quick swappable as the bayonet style hoppers are. But if you are looking for that quick workflow, that smaller capacity, and perhaps you really only need to single dose grind, then it is a great addition to an EK43 for you. That is the EK43 mini hopper from Mahlkonig. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. We post videos about product overviews and comparisons and all sorts of educational content. And as always, if you want to see more, please come visit us at primacoffee.com. Catch you next time.